Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can create a simple project plan in the Microsoft project. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in using the Microsoft project, and this is a very simple tutorial. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, this is the start screen of the Microsoft project, and here I have clicked on the new button, and this is the option available as my blank project. This is the template. So first we have to click on this template, blank project. Once I will click on the blank project, you have to notice here that the task has been created in the manual mode. Like, just let me click here. See, this is the screen has been shown that new tasks are created in manually scheduled mode. Now friend, this is the main screen which we show as to create a Microsoft project plan. Here there are few options are available. For example, this is the save button, this is the undo, and this is the redo. This is the name of the file or the name of the project, whichever from where you have to save, whichever it will be shown here. This is the minimize button, this is the window maximize button, and this is the close button. This is the ribbon, this called as ribbon, which we used in the Microsoft project. This is the timeline here, like it is the start date and this is the finish date. Then normally we create a project task with two modes, like manual mode or the manual mode or the automatic mode. This is the thing. Okay, normally we use the automatic mode, like all the things are automatic, but sometime we have to use the manual mode as well. This is the task name, then duration, and then start and finish date. Okay, so these are the very basic thing. Then for display purpose, I'm adding task 1 here, like that. Okay, so one task has been added in the manual mode. Okay, what I can do, this is the duration and this is the start date, for example 24. So what you can see that one task has been created in the manual mode, and this is the start date 24th July 2022, and the finish date is obviously 24 July 2022. So in this way one task has been created in the Microsoft project. Now friend, see, you can save from here. Okay, like you can also save from here as well, like this is the option available, and like you can just click here and save the file wherever you want, and you can also use the option of save from here. Now see friend, here that this is called as the Gantt chart. Now why it is called as Gantt chart? This option includes this particular area, like this. This is the area of task, which includes the task, duration, and this is called as the timeline here. Timeline, why? Because see here, like it is showing you the weeks, and it also shows you the duration of the, like this is the timeline showing you for one day. So that is called as the Gantt chart option. Gantt chart means it has two sections. One is the task with the duration and dates, and second, this area called as the timeline section. Now friend, I'm just closing the video at this moment, and next video I will continue from here. You have to remember that you have to save the project so that you can continue further. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.